Meaning of indiscreet.
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 Indiscreet. The word indiscreet refers to behavior that is lacking in judgment or restraint, often resulting in the disclosure of private or sensitive information. Indiscreet actions are characterized by a lack of caution or prudence, and may be impulsive or thoughtless. People who are indiscreet may reveal secrets or personal information that could cause harm or embarrassment to themselves or others. This type of behavior can damage reputations and relationships, and may lead to unintended consequences. It is generally advisable to exercise discretion and good judgment when discussing private matters or sensitive topics.